Jai Shri Mataji.
Each chakra of cosmic subtle system has a unique resonance in our body. To derive the most of it is to get connected. We suggest watch each episode unto end.
Within every human being lies a sacred law, Dharma, the innate power that sustains our balance, purity, and moral strength. It is not an outer religion, it is an inner light. All, not only the living beings, even the elements in the universe, have their own Dharma. Sun has its Dharma, animals have their own Dharma, and the like. Just as gold's nature is to remain untarnished, so too, we do have our own Dharma. Dharma to be truthful, remain pure, compassionate, and righteous, no matter what life brings. This sustaining power awakens through the Nabhi Chakra. Shri Vishnu and Shri Lakshmi, the divine sustainers, nurture within us the strength to stand firm in truth, generosity, and contentment. But surrounding this center lies a great ocean, the Bhavasagar, the void, guarded by those eternal teachers who came age after age to guide humanity, the 10 Primordial Masters, the Adi Gurus.
Their task was one, to awaken Dharma within us. They taught through example, not dogma. They came to different lands, spoke different tongues, yet carried the same flame. And Raja Janaka stands among them as the supreme example of Atmanyan in a life of duty. A king in the world, yet Videha in spirit. He listened to his master, offered his mind in surrender, and remained unmoved by illusion, showing that spiritual freedom can walk hand in hand with worldly responsibility. His dialogue with Ashtavakra is a teaching in true non-duality and devotion. Abraham taught unwavering faith in the one God, beyond form and idol. Moses led his people across the sea of illusion and laid down the 10 Commandments, the foundation of moral law. Zoroaster revealed that only light can overcome darkness and righteousness alone can conquer evil. Confucius taught balance, moderation, and the noble art of self-discipline. Lao Tzu opened the way of the Tao, the Great Mother, through silence, humility, and effortless harmony.
Socrates reminded humanity that the wealth of the world is nothing beside the treasure of virtue and self-knowledge. Muhammad taught compassion, moderation, and the true jihad, the battle within to conquer anger and ego. Guru Nanak brought the message of unity, purity, and devotion, that in the heart filled with love, God Himself resides.
And finally, Shri Shirdi Sainath, the last incarnation of the Adi Guru, came not to command but to love. He prepared the field for the great advent, for the awakening of the Adi Shakti within every seeker. He said, I am in all things, think of me and I am with you. Through all these masters, the one message resounds, that Dharma is within. It awakens when the Spirit shines through us. To be dharmic is not to follow rules, but to become the living expression of love, truth, and balance.
When our inner religion is enlightened, we naturally rise above desire, criticism, and division. We realize, as Shri Mataji said, nothing is outside, it is all within yourself. And in that silence of the heart, the 10 Masters shall still guide our ascent across the ocean of illusion, toward the eternal shore of our spirit. May Adi Shakti bless us the enlightenment of our inner Dharma within us. Thanks for the day with us. In the next episode, we shall rise to our Anahat Chakra, the Heart Chakra.